My current passion project at Learnlife is a presentation on dopamine and the history of video games. Me and my mum watched a documentary called The Social Dilemma, and it was about social media and how it affects kids and dopamine and all of this. And it hit my heart hard, so I just decided to do as much investigation on it as I could. I talked with a learning guide about the documentary and about what I think about it, and we had a conversation, and he gave me the idea of the presentation. And I thought, well, yeah, that's a good idea, but then I customized the idea. It's a lot about helping other people to learn about dopamine and history of video games also, and then for me to learn how to make presentations. It was just one of those opportunities. Learnlife to me is an amazing learning space where you can learn at your own pace, at your own will, and I recommend it to everybody.